So basically, this is our 95-point inspection is what it is. And, sometimes depending on the brakes, we won't measure out rotors or anything, but we'll give you millimeters on the brake pads. Only when they're low do we really measure everything out, but ultimately this is kind of uh, a rundown of everything that we got going with the brakes. And then there's some other things. We'll check filters, oil leaks, steering suspension, try to shake that down best possible. And then, yeah, picture of papers just in case there's any extra items. But I just want to show that that's how comprehensive, and this is a cool digital inspection. We can attach pictures and all kinds of stuff. Thank you.